Hi, in this video we will discuss about Angular parameterized pipe. Before we start this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. In Angular, we can pass any number of parameters to the pipe using colon, as you can see in the syntax. Okay, then when we do so like it's called Angular parameterized pipe. So here in syntax you can see and we use data, then pipe name, and colon parameterized 1, parameter 2 and 3, and just use the colon between all parameters. Okay, and so on. So think of it like the dob data you have, then use the pipe date and converts into a sort. Okay, then there are other formats of data we have. I'll show you an example. Okay, and second one is currency. Like ports fee, pipe, currency, and USD2, and you can see here 1.3 F and 3. Okay, the meaning of this 1.3 F and 3 I'll let you know. First, we will see the data example here. So let me show you. Let me take one variable which holds current date. Today number date dot now. Okay. So this today variables will hold this current date. Let's get different format of current date. Date format. Okay. Date pipe. Today and date only. Let's convert it to full date. Medium. We can also convert it to sort. Also we can define a specific date format, like an day, dd, by. It could be like a dd by, anything, whatever is your requirement. Let's also convert into our mainnet, ampm, and this John. Okay, and last one is medium time. Medium time. Let's check. There's some error. What is that? Sort. Okay. Okay. Folder. Let's use single quote. Actually, I forgot to add single quotes before format for medium and sort. Now it should work. Yeah, successful. So here you can see again there is a full date. Oh, sorry. Now see, So first one is full date, source date September 19. Okay, this current date 2021, and second one is medium. Okay, so we can see here showing like Sunday, and then September 19 2021. In short, this is short date format. Okay, and this format is like a dd by. So you can see here dd so, okay, so this is a dd by. So oh, sorry, so I did a mistake. I think here first one is this one. Okay, so the format is like September 19th 2021, and in full date you can see here full date is Sunday. It also mentioned the day and month, okay, and date, and then year. And for medium, this is the format for medium, and for short this is a format, and then date format in a dd by this one, and then hour minutes, this is okay. Then medium time, this one only you can see here on the time. Let's see some examples for currency pipe. Okay, let me take one variables here. Salary number, $50. Okay, let's get the currency of USD and Indian rupees. Currency USD and symbol. Salary, then use pipe, and currency built pipe. Okay, then define here it's a currency code, USD, then true. This boolean value or true, basically it's display the currency symbol, and if I'll make it false, then it will display the currency code. We'll show you. Let's show in code, currency code USD, let's make it false. Okay, and let's define the format for 2-2. So let me tell you what it is. 4 is like a min integer digits. Okay, is 4. 2 is min fraction digits in 5, and 2 after this hyphen is max fraction digit. Okay, I can put it like 5. Okay, uh, then the max fraction digit is 5. Let's see output. Here you can see this dollar. Okay, it's a symbol, and in code you can see here USD and INR. So what we defined, mm, so here we mentioned like 4 minimum integer digits. Okay, at least 4 digits before this decimal. Okay, before this fraction. So at least 4 digits. Here 5 digits are here. Okay, and then after this fraction, so how many digits are there after this decimal points? Minimum digits should be 2, and maximum could be 5. Maximum 5 only. So here we have a 2, and that's it. Yeah, that's it from my end. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.